So, what do you think?
I like it.
Mike keeps winning. Alright, so in this video, we're going to take a look at this Extreme XTOYZ series of cars. Two of them come together. Who do you think is going to win?
Me.
You use the orange? Alright, ready, set, go!
Hey, you started!
Alright, these are 3.7 volts. They are USB rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about buying extra batteries. Are you ready for your gift? Yeah. Okay, turn around.
Oh my gosh, that's exactly what I wanted!
Ooh, which one do you like better?
Orange.
I like the two-tone. Oh, that's the remote. Right here, you forgot the battery. Oh, nice! Rechargeable.
Yes.
There's another one in there. Do we need a screwdriver?
Nope.
Sure.
Oh, yes, we do. I don't understand how to use a knife for that, but okay.
It's called being resourceful.
Okay.
Okay, it's rechargeable battery.
I have to try and plug
This is your charger. So you plug this into any power bank or your computer and it just charges the battery. Let's hope it's charged. Did you get it?
Yep, it's
Okay,
in.
turn it on before you close it. Let's make sure that it's working. Okay, now this is the remote? AAA. Okay, I got AAA's.
So these are remote control racing cars. And here's how they turn.
It's a rear wheel drive car.
And you can also go backwards and forwards.
Show me the wheels turning. How many degrees are they turning, do you think?
I would say like 15.
What do you think about the look though?
I like the look.
Yeah? You like the dual tone or the single tone?
Dual tone.
Dual tone.
Just my opinion, I don't like these controllers. They're so much harder to control.
What would you like prefer it to be?
I would much rather be the old controllers. Kind of like the Mario controllers.
Like the airplane controllers?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, so we're gonna go race. These are 3.7 volt. They also gave you these USB chargers and you have one battery each. Why do you think it's for 8-year-olds and not for like 6-year-olds?
I don't know, maybe it's because they would eat the remote controller.
What if you attach two of these cars together? Would they go faster?
I think they would go slower.
Alright, let's go test these. Okay, on. There maybe one's faster than the other. But I only have one hand. Look. Bring the car over. So it's pretty responsive. Over here.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh!
Look, there's only stuck in its wheel. I'm gonna get you.
Let's see what the range is on these. Oh man, you're still going.
You're gonna get
But mine's stuck behind a plant.
Why isn't it moving anymore?
So it looks like it's about 50 or so. So we've got the XTOYZ over here, 3.7 volts, and then we've got the beefy truck. Whoa! Oh! Oh!
3, 2, 1,
Go.
go!
Whoa!
That's way too fast!
I keep winning. I don't know. Mine keeps winning. Mine. I don't know. Mine keeps winning. Whoa, mine even flipped.
I'll help it.
So, what do you think?
I like it.
Alright, so if you have nephews, kids, these are definitely something you want to consider because you have two of them. These are 3.7 volts. They are USB rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about buying extra batteries, but you do need a battery for this. These are AA batteries. So thanks for watching.